Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Deluxe. I am back with another week's video. I am so happy to be back and this week doing another and yet an amazing haul. So whenever you're seeing this, if you're seeing this on New Year's or after New Year's, happy 2025. I hope that 2025 brings all of us success, and I'm so excited for 2025. It's going to be really an amazing year, a year full of abundance and prosperity and success. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. So, girl, I feel amazing. I look amazing. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and let's get into this video. Now today's video will be a dress haul. So okay, why I'm showing you this is, first things first, I have to go to a gala for New Year's Eve into the New Year's, and slash should I say I have went to gala a gala ball for New Year's Eve, and the dress code for the night will be black attire. So now if you don't know what black attire is, I'm gonna help you out here. It's for the men, you wear a suit, tie, shirt, jacket and trousers and a nice shoes. And for women, you wear a dress, but the dress needs to be long enough, covering your ankles, more so covering your heels. So if you're wearing tall heels, your dress should be covering your actual heel of your feet. Okay, so this is gonna be an NYE New Year's Eve party dresses. So I decided to get some stuff, a few dresses from this brand. I don't really want to say much of this brand because I really don't recommend, because the material of this brand are such long and hard to find dresses for this event, and it has been stressing the life out for me, and where I thought I should just get my dress made. But when I checked into my tailor is all booked up close to my house. He's all booked up, and I was like, you know what, let's just save the hassle and trouble. For the price point of these dresses, I would not recommend because many of them is polyester, but I think what I got was velvet. Girl, let me show you the dress. So I got two dresses and I'm torn between what should I wear or choose for the gala. Okay, so you guys are gonna help me choose. I want to hear what you guys think looks best on me or suit me really beautifully in the comment section. So please leave your thoughts in the comment section. I will really appreciate it. I read them, I read the comments, okay? And I love when you guys comment because I'm like I love to reply to you guys and read you guys comments and thoughts, whatever it is. Even if it's critique, constructive criticism, I don't mind. But if you're being rude and disrespectful, bitch, get out my face. I'm gonna take a moment for the hair. Commotion for the hair, girl. I'm feeling so let's start off with dress number one. Okay, so I got this. If it doesn't, I can't say don't fit, but if I don't like it, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might just give it away, don't know. But all of my dresses I got, I think, in an extra small, actually UK size 4, because I'm skinny. So I'm hoping that it's not going to be too big, because some clothing, when they dress, no. So I got this in like a burgundy type of color, kind of coming up like purple, like a purple undertone. So this is like an off shoulder. Ooh, this looks nice. I don't know, the color not so much, but the dress looks nice. So I got this one. It says velvet. It's really long. Okay, so the person that had got me the last time, I didn't know why I sit and do review for clothing. I'm gonna show you what it looks like somewhere in the screen here. Okay, so if you pay attention, you'll see. So I got this in a size, yeah, as I said, UK 4 from Club London. Okay, so the prices is quite overpriced for me. It does feel really thick. It does feel thick, so it looks like it's been double stitched, like the seams even looks good. The seams is double stitched, so you can't really tell which side is the inside or which side is the outside, which is amazing. I absolutely love when company does that. The material do feel thick, so they look like they layer, like double layer the fabric to create the dress. Actually, okay, so what I don't like, finishing touch is very important for me. It shows how a company take pride in when they're doing their stuff and putting out stuff to the public. So when you have these type of this garbage, right? Okay, so this type of garbage spewing out of the dress for what I paid for is ridiculous. It's unacceptable. Okay, so look, this have like this all this like loose threads of garment. I don't even understand. Like, what the frick is this? Like loose fabric just spewing out, for heaven's sake, trying to win the one that is weighing to the earth. Unbelievable. So anyway, this comes supposed to be off shoulder dress, so it's supposed to be one up like this and down. As I said, I'm gonna show you how it fits. It comes in this supposed to become above burgundy red, but it's really showing off as a purple hue type of color. And now I am scared that the dress don't suit me or look good on me as to what I think it would. I see the dress is not 100% velvet as they claim it to be velvet, because if you have purchased velvet before, you know what velvet is like, or what velvet is. It's a really luxurious fabric, and it doesn't give this. I'm not too sure. I can't say I hate it or I don't love it, but I can't say I hate it as yet. So let's see actually how it looks and fit on me. Yeah, next. The next thing I got, I always play safe, guys. I don't know why I play safe. I got this black dress. Now this dress feels, I was thinking it on the back, feels a bit more heavier and looks a bit more thicker. So I got this black dress. You know, black is my cup of tea. I always wear black, play it safe. Now I'm wishing I should have gone with a red or green dress. I think it's too late for that now, because I'm not even gonna get anything or get anything delivered to me like next day. So I got this one in a size UK 6, and I think this is the smallest size it came into. Now this is like a bow dress. When I saw this dress, I fell in love with it, because I thought of it being very simple and very, very elegant. I really love this. To me, I find it looks better. I'm gravitating to this dress more than the first dress that I showed you guys. So I really love the detail on the dress. So you get this like how do you call this, double detailed, like crystal details on the dress, which kind of adds a bit of like this pop, elegance, nice touch to the dress due to its simplicity. So it claims again to be velvet, you know, velvet, and of course it is really long off the shoulder. I don't have that much burst, so I'm not too sure if I'm gonna wear it with bra or without a bra. I actually really like the gemstones, the placement of the gemstones. So this is like, I believe, like where your arms will go into. So the placement of the gemstones is really nice. I really love the placement of the gemstones. So I think this is where like your arm will be going to. I actually really love the bow detailing. I find it's quite flattering. It's so subtle. And if you watch my previous haul, my Christmas haul, I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen, link it somewhere on the screen. You could go ahead and check that out. You see I have a few jewelries that I got, and I think the jewelries will actually go amazing and perfect with this dress. So I'm really excited to wear this dress. All in all, like I'm not too sure much what I could say about the dress. Of course, like it has fastener and it's the zip, so it zips all the way. Ooh, I don't know if I'll be able to zip this up if I'm showing you guys. Wow, the zip is very tight. Bloody hell. Okay, so it zips halfway down the back, so you don't go all the way down. So this is worrying. So it's giving off like a corset feel at the bust area. I wish the whole thing gave off like this corset vibes, because it's gonna make my waist look a bit more snatched. Hopefully it looks snatched, you know, like very snatched. So, and this is like the inside of the dress. I'm not too sure what they use. It looks like polyester to me. The lining, the inner lining of the dress looks like polyester, but again, it is really long. So I'm gonna try on this 2 dress, and you guys will pop in the comment section which dress looks best on me, which will, you know, give me that, will make me the woman of the night, the star of the night. We'll be like, oh, look at her. Anyways. So you guys will let me know your thoughts in the comments. I think I have it. 3 dresses, not 2. Sidetrack. So the last dress I got, oh, wait, it's from Mesh. No, it's not. Wait, I think I got it from Club London. I went on their website and I wanted something. I got it in white, guys. So I'm not too sure. Should I wear white to go to this? Should I actually be wearing white? Because and it's actually a really long dress, and it's also okay. This one, I think it's back, right? It is backless. I really love. I don't know if I should wear white. So it gives up backless, and it comes up like it's armless as well. Oh, and it's really long and flowy, like really super long and flowy. Anyways guys, like I'm going to show you like what it looks like. So this dress feels really heavy than all the rest. So this dress is much more heavier than the others. Of course, it comes like with a fastener and the zip. Don't go all the way down, but just enough fastener and zip. I think because of we don't do natural fibers or fabrics for the clothing, so I think also this dress is polyester, which I absolutely don't love or like, because you know the cost for these dresses is just ridiculously overpriced for what you get in terms of fabric. And as I always say guys, quality over quantity. Your investment should like pay off. You should always see our ROI in your investment for clothing fabrics that you know you spend money on. So it's quite flowy and you know breezy. These amazing dresses. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on these dresses, and you guys will tell me your thoughts. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way through to the end, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and I will catch you guys on another week's video. Bye for now, and happy new year whenever you're seeing this. Welcome to 2025. I wish you an amazing and prosperous year, a year of abundance, success, you know, the whole lot, the jazz. Yeah, bye. Okay, deluxe.